Have you ever stopped to ponder how our relationships might look if artificial intelligence crept into every interaction? Imagine a world where an AI can predict the perfect response to a text, or even detect when a friend needs a comforting word. Intriguing, isn't it? Artificial intelligence, a term that once felt like it belonged strictly in the realm of science fiction, is now a significant part of our everyday lives. It's in the way we shop, how we communicate, even in how we navigate our cities. But how does this technology affect our personal relationships? The answer is as complex as the algorithms that power AI. On the bright side, AI has the potential to enhance our personal interactions. It can help us understand one another better by analyzing patterns in our communication. For instance, an AI might detect that your friend tends to get anxious when you don't respond quickly, prompting you to reply promptly. It's like having a personal relationship coach, always there to guide you towards more meaningful connections. AI can also create personalized experiences that deepen our bonds. It can recommend activities based on shared interests or suggest the perfect gift for a loved one based on their preferences. Imagine knowing the perfect way to brighten someone's day, all thanks to the insights provided by AI. However, every rose has its thorns. AI's impact on personal relationships isn't all positive. The same technology that helps us understand each other better can also infringe on our privacy. AI can analyze our conversations, track our online behavior, and predict our actions. This raises concerns about who has access to this information and how it is used. There's also the risk of relying too heavily on AI for our interactions. While it can provide useful insights, it's not a substitute for genuine human connection. We must be careful not to let AI replace the personal touch that makes our relationships unique. As we navigate this brave new world, it's worth reflecting on how AI is reshaping our connections. Is it merely a tool to enhance our relationships, or could it become a crutch that we lean on too heavily? And how do we strike the right balance between leveraging technology and maintaining genuine personal interactions? The answers to these questions aren't clear-cut. They depend on how we choose to use AI and the boundaries we set for this powerful technology. But one thing is certain, as AI continues to evolve, it will continue to transform our personal relationships in ways we can't fully anticipate. So, as we stand on the cusp of this AI-driven future, it's worth taking a moment to reflect, to question, to consider how we can best use this technology to enhance our relationships without losing the personal touch that makes them special. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the technology, it's about the connections we forge and the relationships we cherish. And that's something no AI can ever truly replicate.